Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing amazingly well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video guys, what I'll be explaining to you is how you can get the Bugatti Bolide car in Asphalt 9 Legends. But before I get into it, I just quickly want to apologize. As you can probably hear, I do have a cold at the moment, and that is the reason my voice is a bit more nasally, so you'll have to bear with me with my kind of horrible voice at the moment. However, it should go back to normal real quick, and it should not detract much from my actual tutorial. So yeah, let me get right into it. So the way you actually get the car is by completing its Drive Syndicate event or earning it through its Drive Syndicate event. What Drive Syndicate events are is they are pretty much timed events or limited time events, which have several missions, which then have several submissions, which you need to complete to actually unlock the car. There is its own every Drive Syndicate event has its own shop. Every shop has its own currency, and you use them to unlock several rewards. And I think one of them is the car. However, it might be unlocked by actually completing challenges. On that, I'm not incredibly certain, since as you can see, there is no actual event happening right now. Plus, I'm too low of a level to actually participate. So yeah. However, yeah, that is pretty much it. When the actual Drive Syndicate event for that car happens, you will have the option to unlock it through doing challenges and completing missions, and once you do, the car should be yours. That is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video.